YouTube, welcome to my channel at Lisa J's World. I'm Lisa, and so today I have a bag reveal from Dooney and Burke. It is the Belvedere Logo Lock Hobo. And before I get into talking about a little bit about this bag, because I'm trying not to make this video too long, I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. And if you, I'd like to welcome back everyone to my channel that keeps coming back. I appreciate your support. And also, if you're new to this channel, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification if you're interested in handbag videos, beauty, lifestyle, and inspiration. All right, so guys, I want to talk about this beauty. I got this particular bag. I've been wanting the Belvedere Logo Lock ever since it came out a few years ago. Its original I don't want to say, well, predecessor was the Logo Lock pebble grain leather Logo Lock tote or Hobo. Many people have reviewed this bag. Many people have this bag in that particular leather. I had a few of them. I've gifted them away, and some I've sold. The only reason that I don't keep it in my collection is because it's not as structured. That is pretty structured. Now the two Florentine Logo locks that I have, they are more pliable. I like that. They have a slight structure, but they're also pliable at the same time. And as you can see, this bag is standing straight up on its own, and it has items in it already. However, I re-recorded this video and I had my stuff in this bag first and emptied it in here. But even when this was empty, this particular bag, it was still standing up by itself. So I like the slouchiness of this particular leather. It's not as structured as the pebble grain leather. Even though the pebble grain is beautiful and they're still selling that bag, I believe, on retail and the secondary market. Then they have another version of this bag where this particular piece of leather is the Sierra leather trim, I believe. I think that's the Sierra leather that they have. And I don't like that particular one because it's smaller. The shoulder drop is smaller, and it seems like it's just stiffer than the original pebble grain leather Hobo. So saying all of that, the one thing I don't like about this particular leather, I don't know if it's the color, when they were dyeing it, trying to merge it with the leather, the texture is kind of dry, kind of matte. I would say matte with texture. It's a matted texture. Now it may be looking like it's shining a little bit because of the light, but trust me, it is matted. So I like this. I particularly like this color. There's not many colors I like. As you know, if you watch my channel, I have a lot of black, brown, a few red bags. I try to mix it up because I do love color. As you can see behind me, I love color, but I'm a neutral girl at the same time, and I like my color to be pops of color. So in saying that, you notice that this hardware, it looks, to me, it looked like it was silver at first glance. But when you look up closer to it, it's more a gold tone, just like the others. But I think the color of the bag and being far away makes it look more silver. So this bag has feet at the bottom. It has two pieces of leather with the same gold tone hardware there. And then on the inside, but before we get in the inside, this lock here it could be worn on either side. You could wear it with the duck or with the Dooney and Burke actual wording with the cream background. Inside, there are 3 pockets instead of 2. And that's how this particular style of bag is always been. The pebble grain leather logo lock Hobo, the lining is that pinkish like linen, like in my Dylan bag. And I don't know about the other, I don't know about the Florentine one, and I don't know about the Hobo that has the brown leather trim here, no matter what color the bag is. I don't know what's the inside of that bag. So this has a zipper pocket and a slip pocket. And I have my stuff in it. And what I'm noticing is that these 3 pockets aren't as, deep as the other pockets. As you can see my glasses peeping out. And normally you cannot see that. And these, if they topple over, they'll just topple over into the bag. So when I wear this particular bag, I probably will wear both the cosmetic case and my catch-all, and just carry those items in there and carry shorter items in these pockets. Probably could fit my sunglasses in there and I wouldn't have to worry about those falling over. So it also has a leather key leash. I don't want to leave that out for your keys. And I use that, I use it because, you know, when I wear, especially when I wear my big bags, throwing my keys in my purse is sometimes it's just, to search for them is just too much. So it's easier just to search for the key leash, pull it up, pull my keys off, and I'm done. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video on my new beauty. Did I say she was mauve? Yes, this is the mauve color. So I hope guys that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.